I don't know about you, but I've gone kneeboarding once when I lived in Indiana, and I just don't have a boat around here. But you know what we do have?
A zero turn.
And a kneeboard. Go faster! Oh my god. It's kind of boring right now. Oh shit. Ah! Ah! Oh my god. Ow! Ow! Look at that! Jeez!
Hey, you got some good speed there.
I got carpet burn on my knees, that's what I got. Well, the zero turn was a little slow, and the kneeboard tore up my knees, so now we have knee pads, courtesy of Sheriff Bo here, with a Leonard Skinner belt buckle. And we have a 650cc quad that's going to be pulling me now, so I don't see what could go wrong here. Oh my god! Oh! That's mud. Oh! She glides! Woo! It is rocky. Oh! No, 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 oh shit! Keep going! Oh, stop, stop, stop! Jesus! Woo! We're good.
Oh.
Why'd you do that?
Like earlier we were doing it right and it wasn't.
Not right there. Oh my god! Alright, stop! Woo! I'm gonna roost the fuck out of you. That is my payback. Let me help you out, sir. Oh my god. Alright guys, well I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs by mid to late February, so if you guys could help me out, I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, that's it. Until the next video, peace.